How to find 1/2 of 76? Just translate it. Of means multiplication sign, and 76. 76 is a whole number, so we need to convert this whole number into fraction. So how to do that? Just take 1 as a denominator. So this is now fraction. Now you need to you need to multiply this fraction with this fraction. So how to do that? Just multiply top number together and bottom number together. So we are getting a new fraction. 1 times 76, 76. 2 times 1, 2. Now divide this 76 by 2. 2 goes into 7. 3 times. 3 times 2, 6. Subtract 1, bring down this. 2 goes into 16. 8 times. 8 times 2, 16. Subtract 0. So our answer is 38.